Okay, and then like one last tip about drawing a cylinder. Oh, yeah, let me cover the camera with my hand. People are gonna think I'm like Michelle Nice over here. Okay, so what they want you to do is start by drawing the rectangle that your cylindrical object would live in. So if I'm doing a box or a pack of sanitizing wipes, you know, it's fairly tall. Then over here at the top, you go mark in, you gotta know your corners, halfway points, and I think, what did they say? It's like, you can double check this in Canvas or in PLTW, but I believe it's supposed to be like 1/3 of the way from here to here. That's thirds, like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. So you put a curve there that's about 1/3 of the way between a curve there. I think you do it from up and down to, basically you're gonna fit an ellipse into the square rectangle. Wow, I really hope that that was on the camera because I wasn't really paying attention. And then extend it down. And you technically do the same thing at the bottom, but I'm gonna eyeball it to just try to make the two curves match. So that's how to do a cylinder in isometric. And then a cylinder on its side will look weird because it's gonna look distorted. For example, if this was actually a cylinder, corners halfway, 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 about a third. It would fit into there. Yay, okay.